Hello everyone, my name's Ryker and this is the ADHD Writers Workshop, the YouTube channel that makes writing fun. Or at least, that's what I'm going for. I'm super excited for this first video, so let me start by introducing myself a little bit.
Who am I?
I'm a college student studying creative writing, technical writing, and French, and I really just love languages and grammar and how we speak.
Nerd. That is why you're not on the team.
Just trying to be helpful.
I'll help. Elven Dragon Slayer. 10-point power sword.
I love to play soccer, video games, and I also really like to travel. And I have ADHD. I remember ever since I was a kid, it was really hard to focus and concentrate in school.
People could be talking and saying some very important things, and I don't care. Because I don't hear them, because my mind is somewhere else.
And so sometimes that can be kind of problematic for me, because I love to write, I love to read, but it can be hard to just focus on that. And then of course there are other issues with writing, like time constraints, or writing a big essay that's really stressful, and writing can just be difficult sometimes. So I decided to make this channel to help people who have similar experiences or maybe feel the same way so they can have fun with writing. That being said, here's the official channel goal. The ADHD Writers Workshop is designed to provide a fun, low-stress environment to learn about grammar and writing techniques for anyone who would like to learn to write more stylistically and effectively, but has difficulty finding the time or mustering the concentration to do so.
Right? Got it?
Okay. Let's party.
But that doesn't mean you have to have ADHD to watch this channel. I've worked in writing and English second language labs, and I've met with a lot of people who have trouble with writing and grammar. They find it difficult or time consuming, and sometimes they just feel like they're bad at it.
Forget it, I quit. I can't do this anymore, man. My head's about to explode. My whole life sucks. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know where I'm going.
So I also want this channel to help anyone who wants tips on how to write, including students, people who don't have time to write, or those who want a fun grammar environment. I want to post one episode a week covering principles of grammar and writing in a chill, low-stress environment where everyone can learn something. I've never done something like this before, so bear with me and give me feedback if you notice something I could be doing better. I really love movies, so I'll throw in a bunch of movie clips and try to make these videos really entertaining.
Are you not entertained?
But I still think it's weird to hear my own voice on recording, and I'm not sure if everything like the music and the visuals work well, so let me know what you think. Always feel free to leave a comment or check the description for my email. I'd love to hear from you. Make sure to check the description on all my future videos for lots of helpful information about that week's episode as well. Well, that's it for my quick introduction here today. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you being here, and I hope you'll stick around for future episodes. Thank you very much to my friend Brian for designing this awesome ADHD Writers Workshop logo, and also my sister-in-law Mariah for all of her awesome artwork that will be featured throughout my channel. If you'd like to contribute to the channel, or you have ideas or questions for future episodes, email me at theadhdwritersworkshop@gmail.com. All of the music used in this video is in the description, so be sure to check there for shoutouts, sources, and a resume of today's video, and also check out the other video I just uploaded about thesis statements. Anyway, you guys have a great day.